Hi, I'm John from Velocity Home Lifts. If you're looking to stay in the home you love but are struggling with the stairs, I have good news for you. Our iconic lift is specifically designed for existing homes like yours, requiring minimal structural modifications and installing in just 5 days, including the building works. This means less disruption to your life and a quicker path to enjoy your entire home again. The iconic doesn't require a traditional shaft, saving valuable space while adding contemporary elegance to your home. Available in 3 sizes, it adapts perfectly to your specific needs and space constraints. What sets Velocity apart is our commitment to safety, quality, and personalized service. We understand that every home is unique, which is why we provide customized solutions that respect your home's character. Don't compromise on your lifestyle or leave the home you love. Give us a call personally on 1300 008 607 for a no obligation free assessment and discover how Velocity Home Lifts can enhance your independence and home value for years to come.